Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download any books from internet freely. For this you have to go to the browser, search the book name. I'm searching as GIS book like Chang books on GIS. So this is the book, Introduction to Geographical Information System. So this is the book name and the author. The book price is about 2500. So copy the name of this book and click on here, search as LibGen, or this is basically the library genesis. So this is the link, that is www.libgen.is. click on the library genesis link, paste the book name on here, click on the search button. So here the author name, that is Kang Sung Chang, the title of the book, publisher, and the language, and the file format, that is PDF, the size of the book. So this is the 8th edition, this is 9th, this is also the 9th edition. Click any link that you want. So this is the 9th edition, but here you can see this is the 4th edition only, but you can get a higher versions of that book. Just click on this link, click on the get button, and you can see the download was automatically started. If the download was not started, change the browser to Chrome to Mozilla Firefox, then you can see the download will be started. So you can see this is the book. So this is the title, copyright, chapter 1, 2, 3. Okay, so by this process you can download any English books from this website. By this process you can download any books from this website. I will give the link of this website below the comment. So try this. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.